Well, a court in the UK has issued an order to extradite Julian Assange to the United States. The order still needs to be signed by Britain's Interior Minister, and the WikiLeaks founder can still appeal the decision. Assange faces charges of spying, including 18 criminal counts. He has sought to avoid a trial in the U.S. for more than a decade after publishing a huge trove of classified documents. Our London correspondent Benedicte Paviot has the latest.
Julian Assange's extradition to the United States has moved one step closer this morning after a court order was issued. It was during a procedural administrative hearing that lasted just 7 minutes. Westminster Magistrates Court formally issued that order to extradite the co-founder of WikiLeaks after, as you mentioned, over 10 years. I think I've been reporting since his very first arrest and all the legal wrangling that's been going on. So now Home Secretary Priti Patel, as a result of this order, would need to approve the order. But I think it is highly likely that the defense lawyers will appeal to the High Court. They can do that. On what basis they will choose to do that is not yet clear. So the extradition order was issued by Chief Magistrate Paul Goldspring during this hearing this morning. And he said, to quote him, in layman's terms, I'm duty-bound to send your case to the Secretary of State for a decision. So, as I said, I think that's highly likely to be appealed. I think it believes it needs to be done by May the 18th. And we will see, indeed, if that does then go to the High Court. So the 50-year-old co-founder of WikiLeaks was not in court this morning. He joined via video link from Belmarsh top security prison, the prison, indeed, where he married just a few weeks ago his fiancée, Stella Morris. And interestingly, there were quite a lot of supporters outside a court with all kinds of placards, most of them saying, don't extradite Assange or hands off Assange. One of them was the former Labour leader, Jeremy Corbyn, who said that Assange had done absolutely no more than telling the truth to the world and that supporters would carry on campaigning. And let's remember that Julian Assange is wanted for alleged conspiracy to obtain and disclose what a national defence information after WikiLeaks published hundreds of thousands of top secret leaked documents relating to Afghanistan and the Iraq wars, and that at all times Julian Assange has denied any wrongdoing.
That's our correspondent in London, Benedicte Paviot.